Keep your reins long, because he was really good on a long rein. Just jump this middle fence on a figure 8. Three, two, one. Half halt. Atta girl. I love this canter. Maybe a little bit more pace, but not to the jump. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. How does he feel?
Better than he did on Tuesday.
Okay, what should you have done there?
Like spin earlier.
Well, you should have kept the pace because you had a perfect spot out of the corner. So, more pace here, but just a little bit. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Atta girl.
Inside leg, spiral him out. There you go. Lengthen your rein just a little bit. Go, more pace. Right there. All right, that's better.
Dude, okay, stop.
It's okay, it's okay. Keep him going forward. He can't stop when he's scared.
Shank it.
Shank. Three, two, one. Good. More pace. More pace.
Pay attention to me.
3, 2, 1. Good. That was beautiful. Okay, walk. Okay, right there. Good. That was good. Okay, right leg. Half halt, bring it back. Not too much though. You want him cantering up underneath you. 3, 2, 1. There. Some just beep it out. Good. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the left of the barrel. Half halt. Half halt. Sit down. Hands up. Good. Easy. 3, 2, 1. How perfect was that? Now, sink into your feet. Tighten your legs. Okay. You need to keep a constant pace. This is too slow. Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't stop. Good.
Is it because of the sweater?
Do it again. Don't stop. Do it again.
Oh my gosh.
Three. Keep them going. Keep them going.
Oh, it's not coming.
Might be because of the shadows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good girl. Go. Okay. Good girl.
Oh no, we're not doing barrels.
Good. Wow. Good. Keep the pace. Don't slow down. You got to keep your pace throughout the whole entire course, right? Paddle, girl. Okay. Again, you're coming off the fence. Good. 3, 2. Well, that was oh my god, he almost did it. Oh, don't jump it.
I
Don't
know.
jump it.
I'm
Jump
not
up.
that stupid.
More pace. Leg, not rein.
I'm not using my rein. He's going to a barrel.
All right, it's okay. Open your rein. Back up the oxer. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, you're too slow to that one.
The stupid stirrup. Holy jeez.
Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
Keep on, guys. Keep this right here. Dude. Hold on. Back. One, two. That's good. That's good. Go ahead, Tanner, and pick up some pace. More than usual. All right, you are done. That was awesome.